Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We are on the RV and we're talking about this bumper. Which nice thing about this bumper, and we'll show you, it holds our sewer hose, which is cool because it's big enough. The problem is the caps are easy to lose on the road and fall out easy. So, into Amazon, and we found a link to this. This is pretty cool. So this, you can squeeze and sneak in there. So it says you squeeze it, push it. Oh yeah, that's tight. And you squeeze it and it goes in. So that's pretty good. Let's go to the other side of the RV where you can see it, because this one's up against a truck. So we go do our solar panel. Let's go check that out. So here we are. You can see how easy, see how easy that came out, right? That's real easy. So here's the one you put in that you can squeeze. The nice thing is, when you squeeze this, it pulls it in a little. Now it doesn't want to come out. You squeeze this, and it comes out easy. So we push it in, and it's going to be easier. We'll keep these as spares, but there you go. That's an easy how-to. So don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Hey, this was an easy one. We're just going to put these back in this box, and we'll take the box with us if you ever lose one on the road or something. Be good to have some spares. But there you go. You can also get these with a little wire hook so you can't lose them, but haven't ever had that problem. We're just worried about these coming out on the road because they got so loose over time. So we got the new ones. We're all good to go. Like and subscribe, post notifications on. I know this is a simple how-to and an easy trick, and it's in one of my top 10 cool things to put on your RV. So don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Hey, go to Amazon, use the link to get there, and anything you buy does help support the channel. And boy, do I appreciate the support here for this channel that everybody has shown. It's just been fabulous. We continue to bring you great videos. We'll catch you soon. One of our other videos was how to build this tire rack. Yep, we built a tire rack. Hey, here's the thing. You can buy these online, and they're a little nicer than this one. That's for darn sure. But here's the thing. Everything here, including the tire, was $300, $350, okay? The rim was about $80. The tire was about $150. That's most of it. Some of the scraps I had, some of them I had to buy, but it was really pretty cheap, all right? And you can go see the videos for how I built it. You could always cut the metal, and if you can't weld, you can take it to a weld shop, pay a little for that. But these things are $1,000 if you want to buy them online. So that's why I built my own. So don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. That's what we do here at this channel. We do things that save you money.